You think Jamaica KFC has bad customer service? I went to Trinidad in the town. We walked in. The people didn't even say hello.
As Roland made her way up a set of stairs, a female security guard working the event held her arm up behind the star.
Regular, no.
Hey! Hey! No, man, dance move them really I get bad from what there. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to the Wednesday Social Media Top 3 Countdown. I have some topics to talk about today because from Kelly Rowland we have one old KFC debate. Yes, that KFC debate between whether or not Jamaica KFC really is still in our first place or is it Trinidad KFC and some other excitement and new segments that I'm sure you are looking forward to seeing. So once again, do the usual thing. You're here, turn on your post notifications so you can see when the videos are posted because I realize that YouTube look like them are trying to sabotage me for my 10th anniversary and not informing you guys when I have uploaded a video. So do the usual, like, comment, share, subscribe because I know the video is going to be amazing. But anyhow, let's get into today's top 3 social media countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 3, Kelly Rowland dissed my Destiny's Child. Okay, so if you don't know Kelly Rowland, you know she's saying motivation. She's saying, I told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Y'all thinking and the bump like this, yeah man. And so she recently attended the Cannes or Cannes Film Festival where she was rudely dealt with by a, what you call her, red carpet security guard. Take a look.
As Roland made her way up a set of stairs, a female security guard working the event held her arm up behind the star, seemingly guiding her away from the crowd and into the venue.
No man, I never like this for Kelly Rowland at all. I do not like this for the legend that is Kelly Rowland. You know, of Destiny's Child. I share the woman that said, can you keep up? And right now the woman did about for go and get a fade to her nostrils. Like Kelly was pissed off. You know when you get somebody cross, angry and miserable, so when somebody pop out, especially a woman, pop out the little finger, yeah? Right, you start fear do this. You know, after that noise, after zero get in your ear temple, you're going to go and get a box. I saw it go. But Kelly, she had more class, and so she just kept it. But, you know, people online jumping, you know, and they're making their whole, some people are all lip read, and I say maybe certain things was happening. But Kelly, boy, I don't like this for you. I understand that the security guard might have been doing her job, but some of them tend to be very, what do I want to say? They don't really like people who are melanated. Burritos, let me know what you think of the situation involving the Kelly Rowland and what you would do if one red carpet security did that treat you like that and I come and touch you up and I rush you up. You have like you have some little half-dead chihuahua. Sound of below. This is for the 10th anniversary. So, you know I've talked about Deja Resort already. That is where I stay whenever I'm in Montego Bay. It's a quaint spot, a nice, let me tell you, like it's very cozy, very intimate. It's right across the road from Doctor's Cave Beach. And it is all inclusive. You can go there with your friends and your family and have a nice, jolly old time. And the food is top tier. Anyway, I digress. And so what Deja is doing for the 10th anniversary is that if you book from now until the end of May, you pay only $100 USD per person based on double occupancy. Yes, man, a sweet deal, but you have until now to the end of May, that's the 31st of May, to book so you can qualify for this deal. And all you have to do is just use my personal code that is Berry10. Berry10 for the burritos them. Bomba, look at bars, that is it. Berry10 for the burritos them. No, just use Berry10, that alone. Just I rhyme because I feel like me a DJ for Magnum Kings of dancehall, okay? Yeah, and so the travel window is from now until June 30. And so for more information, please just send them an email, info@dejaresort.com. Okay, remember the special unique code, Berry10. Ta-ta! Oh gosh.
Hi, my name is Angelita McDonald, Sales and Reservations Manager here at the Deja All-Inclusive Resort, the all-inclusive family-owned property, Jamaican of course. Of course, we're 5 minutes from the airport, free access to Dr. Skate Beach, 100% Jamaican staff, Jamaican food, and Jamaican entertainment. So come on down and check us out, because the Jamaican begin right here, so.
Number 2, Skilly music video, Miss Tyla. Oh God. All right, so you know about the latest sensation, the latest pop girly to be really trending in the streets. You know, to see her at the Met Gala in her sand outfit, just looking so curvaceous and looking like the hourglass. Like, Tyla is definitely the hit girl right now, and Skilly Bang has a monster collaboration with her and Gunna for her single called Jump. I'm gonna talk about Jump with RDX, even though I like a part that one coming like that, she actually took a little bit from RDX. As a matter of fact, I wonder if RDX is actually in the writing credits, guy. You know, them look something you're going to wait until 2 years, and then people are sue and collect one little money. And you know, the little shrimps go when people hungry and want little food. You know, the little thing go. All right, but so Skilly, you know, he recently shot the music video for his part in Jump, and boy, oh boy, the music video is out, and it just shell. Tyla looks amazing. Gunna was doing him thing, and I just love to see that, you know, music can be fun like this. You know, that the African-Jamaican connection, years it has been established. And, you know, honestly, I like the song, but I wish I did Shenseea get it. I never really want to talk about, yeah, man. I really wish Shenseea got a song like Jump, because I feel like the Tyla sound is the sound where I feel like Shenseea has been trying to fine-tune. Because she have it, you know, but like she also try to kind of fine-tune it. Like, how do you do pop, but still bring in your roots? And I feel like Tyla has been able to do it seamlessly, effortlessly. And so, me just know if Shenseea did dip on a track like this with the Skilly Bang and the Gunna, man, oh my God, I done it done. But hopefully, in the future, maybe the two can collaborate and we can be here to talk about it on the social media countdown. So, but like all of the behind the scenes of the video, and it was definitely a very much a fun song. But yes, Burrito, so Skilly Bang, our own Skilly Bang Jamaican production is on a monster single like this. And this, may I forget to say round of applause to Skilly Bang, yeah man. From the man left Jamaica for the man fly out to the airport, Skilly Bang has not looked back because he don't want to turn it into a pillar of salt. And since then, he has been just destined for more greatness than I'm sure he has even thought possible. And the man don't just dip on the song as like one little placeholder, as one little filler. He actually has a standout part of the song, even more so than Gunna. Because Skilly Bang just brought that earthy, that feel. Let me just go read the lyrics, man. Jesus, people, in case you don't know. We can't play it now, hold on. Let me just play the piece I sang for now.
Original, and you want a replica, no. Smooth, no regular, no. Pretty for real, I'm pretty for my cellular, no. You don't say hot, no.
No, come on, man. What an intro. Pretty for real and pretty for my cellular. You know, when you're going to bring back them long time words, they, you know how when you do something epic. Can't even not use the word cellular, but you have to draft that because Tyla make you want to go back in your ancestral DNA and go find new words for those lyrics are, because look at the material, like the girl look like a 2024 Pocahontas. Talk truth. And number 1 goes to Trinidadian KFC. Woo! 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 My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Oh Lord, once again this age-old debate, like why the fear go on between Jamaicans and Trinidadians? Why we can't live in love and harmony, please, one time.
The girls was back there eating chicken, talking to each other about their man, who they gonna stab, who cheating on who.
All right, so if you don't know Star Dawkins, she is the cookie wash girl. We have the little things that wash out the woman named crevice. You know, little sunshine, little, so you know what I mean. So she have that as our business, right? And she's doing music. She used to date Lincoln Tree, that was, should say, our cousin. You know, all of that as the backstory. And you know, recently she uploaded a video reacting, doing a taste test of the Trinidad KFC experience. And let's just say she wasn't here for it. Take a listen.
Here we are trying Trinidad KFC for the first time. This was the worst customer service. You think Jamaica KFC has bad customer service? I went to Trinidad in the town. We walked in, the people didn't even say hello. The girls was back there eating chicken, talking to each other about their man, who they gonna stab, who cheating on who. They ignored me. Anyways, how do the doors say 24 hours, but you tell me, nah, you closing at 12, you don't got no zinger, you don't got no this, all you have a spicy fried chicken, and you better be lucky I love spicy fried chicken. So I got a 2-piece. So I'm gonna dip it in a little ketchup hot sauce thing that I made. It's very mid. It's nothing special. Trinidad, your KFC is not all that. The flavor is missing. Trinidad, your KFC gives nothing.
Okay, all right, Star. All right, okay. Yeah, man, the one you kind of rough. The one you kind of rough because you know the Trinidadian people, they want to come in your comments now and come down you. And understandably so. Because nobody want to hear say you come at them country and never like the experience, even if them know saying really 100%. For true, them just not gonna like you as an outsider. I talk about their country and its offerings like this. But the reality is that a lot of people tend to say that Jamaica has the best tasting KFC. I'm not so sure about the experience in terms of customer service because you know Jamaican customer service is not. Yeah, we just leave it as that, man. But we are trying. We must get for most improve, right? But you know them say the worse of the customer service is the better the food tastes. And at this point, I would prefer if it get bad tasting food. No, I'll prefer to get good tasting food with bad customer service than the other way around. And so, burritos, let me know, are you here for Star Dawkins comments? She said them the India trace and all kind of something there, but I beg you, if you were to actually go ask them, them probably like 3/4 Jamaican. When you hear them a chat about man and all kind of problem and cuss and trace, I feel like a little toops of Jamaican in them. So we will never know. But burritos, what do you say? Is Jamaica the superior place to have KFC chicken? Sound off in the comments. All right, and so we come to the end of that countdown segment. You know, I hope you enjoy the topics them. This is the second show, the Wednesday show. And if you haven't watched our Monday show, please go ahead and click it right here. So go watch the Monday show, man, because up here, things we have in store for you on the 10th anniversary of the social media countdown. But right now, I'm going to throw to a throwback countdown video, and I'm sure you guys are going to be... Just watch.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama.
Assassin's adorable daughter, Aliana. No man, this little girl is her adorable. Pity like she, make you understand how some woman breed all 10 times since 2002. As cute as she is, she have a little thing about her. She is never her wrong yet. Never guilty. Ever innocent. But you see her eye them, ever gear away in the head.
What did you do?
I did nothing. I did nothing at all in the playroom.
No, check out the one you will on our panic countdown.
I broke all the crayons.
When I was reading, I didn't realize it was just not my fault.
But you should have stopped him, no.
No man, any of me are the court, as she want to be my liar. He like he that ended up in a problem yesterday and try to pull off the innocent routine. It never walk a back's foot.
Who brought my vase on the center table?
I did nothing. I did nothing at all. It's not my fault.
Oh, Lord, man. Yeah, man. How far the countdown I come from, you know? How far the countdown I come from. And I'm just happy that you guys have been with me for this journey. Like, Jesus, Pim. We can't believe like them time we really used to have the fine voice just rocking. Anyhow, I have a new segment right now that I want you guys to check out, and it is going to call Hustler Check-In. And this is where me just out in the streets, anywhere, if you have your small business, you have your hustle, you're doing something for uplift yourself, I am going to spotlight you. I'm going to highlight you from the everyday man to the corporate body and everyone in between. So let's check out today's Hustler Check-In.
Alright, so what's your name, boss?
Definitely, Michael Mitchell. We have the Mighty Wax here promoting today to remove like the scratch and the marks on the vehicle, the oxidation and the headlight.
Yes.
As you can see here, we have about like 300 scratch right here if you count them, right? 300.
Yeah.
Definitely. All you have to do is just use like a regular rag, like an old bathing rag, an old shamai like this one here. As you can see marks, go circular motion like this.
Oh.
Get them off.
Yeah,
then
yeah.
you use like a dry part of the same cloth, even though you can notice them come off already. You get a dry cloth, same way, and go back over it and polish it. Come here, come over here. You can see the oxidation, the yellow scum here on the headlight.
Yes.
All you have to do is go circular motion like this. You can notice the discrepancy coming off almost.
Yeah, man, remove the discoloration.
Precisely. All you have to do is just keep going circular motion with the rag like that. Then you're going to use a dry cloth in the shamai and polish it like that to get adequate shine as well. Basically, if you take 2 steps around and compare this one to the one over there, you can see the improvement. This is the name down this side. This is the product, Mighty Wax. Definitely, the number you're going to use is 30 11 30 11 0 33. 30 11 0 33. Call at any time. They have Washington Boulevard. Okay? Call anytime.
Alright, big up, you know.
Oh my God, oh gosh, that is it, you know, that is it. You can't believe I was just on the road, you know, around Rapid True Value, and I see the guy, and he was just there promoting his business, and I love seeing that. I like when people use initiative, when people are proactive, them not have them good ideas and just sit down and wait for other people to see them. They're going to, you know, be forward and actually tell you about what they have to offer. And this is the type of energy that I feel like more entrepreneurs in Jamaica need, right? We really need this energy. So make sure you say you're going to reach out to him. The contact information is in the video, and support this brother's business, all right? Yeah, man. And so after, what am I going to do now? I'm going to end the countdown right now, you know, but I'm not going to do so without giving you guys a random video of the week. Take a look.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
That is exactly how people must enjoy themselves and dance on their party. Like, this is what's missing. Like, that's what I like with my Caucasian brothers and sisters. Them not business about no rhythm, them not business about the beat. Them are going to dance from them heart. Is whatever them feel, that's what you're going to be seeing on the stage. Oh, Lord. Well, that's it for today's Wednesday's social media countdown. Make sure to say you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. All of that. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget, we're still on the road to 300,000 subscribers. If you haven't heard, there is a Deja Resort promotion where if you sign up, book from now till the end of this month, oh my God, it's just $100 per double occupancy for your stay. So you don't want miss out on that. Of course, the promo code is Berry10, and so I want this to be a treat for the Burritos them. Okay, want to advertise within the social media countdown? Shoot me an email to bookings.dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Do the usual. Follow me on all my platforms, that Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. Until Friday, take care, burritos. Why am I waving and doing it? I'm gonna just do something. Stay safe.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them talk me, how I happen on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.